Today, in geography, we are going to study about the different types of human occupations. Let us first understand the meaning of human occupation. Human occupation means doing work or an activity for earning a living, or we can say that a job or a profession that a person undertakes to make money or to satisfy his own needs. Some of the occupations are farming, baking, repairing, selling, etc. These occupations are classified into various categories. Primary occupation. Primary occupation means working with nature. In this occupation, a person is involved with the environment. All the raw material is taken from the environment. We get fishes from the sea, honey, wood, medicinal plants from the forest, milk, meat and wool from the animals. Some of these products can be used directly. So, the occupations which are dependent on nature are called primary occupations. Example, animal husbandry, fishing, foresting, mining, etc. Secondary occupation. Occupations which are dependent on primary occupations are called secondary occupations. In secondary occupations, the primary goods are processed or transformed into more useful and durable goods. Example, milk is processed into milk products such as shrikhand, butter, cheese, etc. Sugarcane is processed to get sugar. Some foods are also preserved by adding preservatives. Example, pickles, jams, etc. Tertiary occupation. Tertiary occupation provides complementary services to the primary and secondary occupations. As these occupation provides different services to the society, they are also called as service occupations. Example, transport of milk and milk products such as dahi, ice cream, etc. Sale of goods, loading and unloading of goods. Quaternary occupation. The special services rendered by the people having some special skills or the one who is expert in some service is called as quaternary occupation. It is knowledge-based occupation wherein majority of work includes research and development plans. The quaternary industries mostly include the white-collar jobs. Example, a food quality inspector. He inspects and checks the quality of food. An engineer looks after the maintenance of the machines. An architect who prepares the designs for houses and buildings. A doctor who treats patients. All these people are experts and have good knowledge of their occupation. Different occupations are practiced in different countries of the world. Through these occupations, transfer of money or other investments between people of one country and another country takes place. These economic transactions decide the country's production and the annual income. These figures in the pie charts show us the percentage of manpower engaged in various occupations in some of the countries like Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates, and Turkey. Let us understand it with the help of some questions based on the pie charts. Which country has more manpower engaged in primary occupations? And the answer is Bangladesh, because we can see that blue color, which is for primary occupation, has more percentage in Bangladesh. Which country has more manpower engaged in secondary occupation? And the answer is Turkey, because brown color shows more percentage in Turkey. Which country has more manpower engaged in tertiary occupations? And the answer is UAE, because grey color, which shows the tertiary occupation, is more in UAE country. Which country has almost equal manpower engaged in all the occupations? And the answer is Turkey, because all the occupations in this pie chart are almost equal. Countries which have more manpower engaged in tertiary activities are considered to be developed countries. Example, UAE. It is a developed country. The countries which have more manpower engaged in primary activities are considered as developing countries. Example, Turkey and Bangladesh. If we rank the countries from developed to developing, the answer will be UAE, Turkey and Bangladesh. Thank you for watching the video.